How to use Bezier Curves in Kdenlive Keyframe animations. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and add the video clip you want to work with onto the timeline. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for Bezier Curves. Once found, drag and drop the Bezier Curves effect onto your clip. Now open the Effect stack to access the Bezier Curves settings. Instead of using traditional keyframes, this effect provides a visual curve editor where you can manually shape the curve. You will see a diagonal line in the curve editor. This line represents how input values are mapped to output values. You can click on the curve to add control points and drag them to create smooth or sharp transitions. The effect includes options like channel selection and luma formula. You can choose which channel the curve applies to and adjust the luma calculation to change how brightness is interpreted. This tool is especially useful for fine-tuning contrast, transparency, or creative visual transitions without the need for keyframes. Once you have adjusted the curve to your liking, play back your timeline to see the result. Now you know how to use Bezier Curves in Kdenlive Keyframe animations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.